Hello, YouTube, YouTube, YouTube. Yeah, that goes in here, here. Not really. Okay. So, I don't know if you remember the last video. There was a bunch of crap in here, and I decrapped it. So, this is the underhouse garage that's been cleared out for the Nova, and it will just fit like 2 inches on that side, 2 inches on this side. Very, very close. Why do I have all that crap on the side? Because I have this crap. And I can't move that. So all this stuff that's there falls within the profile of the oil tank. So, Newton's law, every action, every pile creates an opposite and equal pile. So, yeah. That's all junk, and that's the stuff that you accumulate because you don't have to get rid of it, and you don't do it until you're compelled to do it. So, one thing that I am admittedly poor at is maintenance of stuff. Not talking cars, just like space. Including my shop. I mean, I can get to my tools and all that, but it's like a pile. And I haven't organized it yet because I don't know what that organization is. I do know my primary tendency is if I've got a flat, open space, a table, bench, whatever, I'll put shit on it. The only thing I'm not putting shit on is the Nova. Because one of the many words of good advice from Milo was don't use your car as a shelf. Because I don't know, I had put like a coffee cup on it or something. I don't know what it was. But he's like, don't put crap on your car. So I do learn things in my middle age. So I'm trying to put into effect the things that I'm learning. And I'm trying to admit to myself my nature basically of being a slob, and you pay for it, right? At some point. So I did learn not to be a pack rat and collect stuff. So when I see something that's really cool, be like, oh yeah, I could use that sometime in some project. Sometime, right? Because it's really weird and rare and whatever. And you just accumulate that kind of crap. I accumulate that kind of crap. So I owned a house before, and I had been in there 4 years. And the crap that I had accumulated that I just had to throw away was just stupid. So I thought I was out of the habit, but I'm not the only one that lives here. And most of that pile, okay, like everything is black. It's from the sale of my mom's house. So, that's just crap that was up in the attic. Clothes from like the last millennium and just shit nobody would want. And I agreed to take it on or bring it here in order to get it out of the house so it could sell. So helping out, I guess. So, another thing I want to be careful about maybe sometime in the future is I wasn't enabling the sale of my mother's house so much as enabling somebody who took responsibility on themselves for making all that happen. So that's not me being a good doobie and helping my mom. She was totally out of the equation. It was just enabling some other person. Insert expletive. So anyway, sorry. baggage burden. Nova. I would move it in here if it had battery and the carburetor was tuned. I'm going to have to do that later. So anyway, babble. Space for Nova is set. So once the Nova is in here, whatever my stepdaughter and I decide for a project, we'll be able to go in there.